It's Chris here today from Huckabones Equipment. Today we got a little bit of a special video. We're using a Baumalight 1P24, which is a stump grinder. It's on the back of my LX3310. We're going to talk a little bit about the unit and then take it out on a demo. We've actually already done it. We got 4 stumps to show you. So stick with us. We'll do the overview and then do a demonstration. So this stump grinder functions on any small tractor. We've sold quite a number of Baumalights. Again, it's Canadian made, which is great, Southern Ontario. Very proud of that. This stump grinder will work on a BX, D, and an LX, right up to basically an MX, and then you'll want to get a bigger stump grinder. But so very versatile, that's right from 20 to 50 horsepower. Functions fantastic. It does a 24-inch stump. About the only drawback to it, and it's only because the bigger ones get nicer, is it isn't hydraulic side to side. So it is kind of a manual. You got to kind of drive through it, then back up, drive through it and back up if it is a bigger stump. So no real issues that way. It works great. You'll see in the video, like I said, we do the 4 stumps. There's a middle one there where I'm in a terrible location. It gets pretty soupy, and it's no fault of the Baumalight. It wants to do a great job. I just couldn't get in position to do it. So otherwise, basically, you put a stump in front of it, it's gonna do the job. Like this unit is now rented out. It's going to go on a John Deere little one. I think it's a 1024S or something like that. 1023E. It's going out on one of those. So it doesn't take much to run these. It does a great job with no issues. Yeah, it's a stump grinder. There's not a whole lot to talk about. A big disc spins in there and grinds up your stumps. So hopefully you enjoy the demonstration of it, and then we'll see you at the end. you enjoyed today's demonstration, this Baumalight 1P24. As you can see, it chews everything up pretty good. So I want to really kind of tell you what we were doing in the cab there. Again, I was only at 2100 RPM in low four-wheel drive, depending on the conditions I was in. You don't really have to be in low. It just depends what kind of soil conditions you're in. Like I said, I was pretty soupy conditions trying to find these stumps. So other than that, I was in comfort. Again, whenever you're using this, stand back. There is things flying out. You'll see a few chips coming up and hitting the cab. So be mindful of all that, but go out, buy one, enjoy it, you'll love it. So yeah, so that's the end of today's video. If you did enjoy it, please like and subscribe. And if you have any comments, please leave them down below.